Hello everyone. Enjoying the Holi? Now something special is going to happen before we start color distribution. So can I ask everyone who is not in the hall to please be inside the hall for the big surprise? Everyone from outside, ask everyone, I'm giving 2 minutes. Please bring everyone inside. If your family, your friends are outside, ask them to come in. Can I have the sponsors? Mr. Naveen Garg near the stage, Mr. Vishal Tiwari from BPCC, Mr. Naveen Garg from Garg Solicitors, Aniraj Sharma, all the committee members. Okay guys, so as you know, it has been a good 2 months of effort to have seen this day. And we can't be more thankful to our generous sponsors, all of you for supporting in every way. So can I have the biggest round of applause here for Mr. Naveen Garg from Garg Solicitors. Can I ask Desi Celebrations Committee Chairman, Mr. Avinash Agarwal, to please join me on stage and welcome and felicitate Mr. Naveen. I didn't hear the applause, guys. Come on, make some noise. Come on, guys, big round of applause for Naveen Garg and Garg Solicitors. They have a stall outside. Please do visit them. Would you like? Okay, thank you, Mr. Naveen. Thank you very much. Right.
Happy Holi to everybody. Thank you.
Bharat Parivar Cricket Club has been our first supporter, and there are so many people from BPCC. Can I hear something from BPCC members? Yay! Right. And to felicitate them, can I ask Desi Celebration Secretary, Mr. Aniraj Sharma, guys. And Bapu and Aniraj will both, because Bapu has been volunteer. Okay. So Sharma ji to Tiwari ji.
So thank you for giving me the opportunity. I'm so delighted to see the massive turnout, and you've put in so much effort. Daily celebrations, it's absolutely priceless. Giving your time to make this kind of entertainment for everybody, bringing everyone together. I think it takes a lot of selflessness to be able to do this kind of a thing. So I think really pleased to see it, and hope we all enjoy the next most important phase of the event, which is colors. So, yeah, see you.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, BPCC. Next, can I have Mr. Dhaval Ranjan from Punjab National Bank? Meanwhile, we'll be distributing colors outside where you got the t-shirt. Can I request only one person from one group to queue up, not everyone, so that people can continue dancing here while you get the colors back? Right. And we do not start the colors till you have a big surprise in form of a countdown. So we will be doing a big countdown, and you will see that there is a big surprise how we start the Holi. So please be patient. And you can see the PNB logo here. They have put up a stall. Thank you, Team PNB, led by Mr. Dhaval Ranjan, Mr. Harish. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for supporting us.
Hello guys, I would like to thank Mr. Avinash and Desi Celebration, the entire team of the Desi Celebration, for giving us this opportunity to be here. And I won't take too much of your time. I know you all are enjoying your time here. So we have our stall outside. For any kind of a banking solutions, please get in touch with us. Thank you very much. Thank you. And happy Holi. Happy Holi to you all. Thank you.
Ramesh Paswan, I am pleased to welcome our co-sponsors, Pindwala Caterer, Thank you. Can I ask Harish to please come over and welcome them? A big round of applause, guys. So please support our sponsors. We have their details here. Photo. Can we ask everyone to put your hand together for the man of today, Mr. Avinash Agarwal. Come on. Right, so this team was put together under the able guidance of Mr. Avinash Agarwal. This guy is a workaholic. He will fight every day and next day he will, जिसको बोलते हैं ना कान खींच के लेके आना लाइन पे. Right? So can I now ask Naveen Garg, Vishal Tiwari, Dhaval and Ramesh Paswan to please join us, Ramesh Paswan from Desi Celebration and all my sponsors in facilitating Mr. Avinash. So can I have you on stage to thank Mr. Avinash Agarwal for all our behalf. Dhaval, if you are around. Thank you everyone. Right, so sponsors and from Desi Celebration. No, this is from all of us. Thank you. Over there. Thank you, Avinash ji. Keep doing the hard work that you have been doing.